everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going outside and creating a border for my new compost pile. I have 3 compost piles, my main one, I have one in the garden section, and I had to create a whole big new one when I cleaned out the chicken coop. Because I didn't have a place to put that, the main compost pile had way too much in it, and I didn't want to keep adding, there was a lot to add. So I'm going to take you guys outside now, show you the compost pile we're working with. It's kind of big, it's kind of high, so what we're going to do is make the compost pile a little bit longer so that we can flatten that pile out a little bit more. I do have help today. I do have a work camper staying for a longer period of time, so you're going to see him in some projects and he's going to be helping me today. So let's go outside. I'm going to show you the pile and we're going to gather some tools to build up this new compost pile. Let's go. This is the compost pile that I created outside of the chicken coop. We've got all of these tools here that we're going to be working with. Now I do have this scrap lumber over here in this section that we're going to be building this compost pile border with. This stuff has been sitting here for 2 years, so we just busted out some tools, brought it out here, and we're going to go through the wood, take out the nails, take off the bad ends, and create some gardens. We have certain sizes here that we're going to need, and because they're not all long pieces, we're going to be stubbing them together with a little brace. So we've got some scrap lumber in the workshop garage. Now we do have this tin over here from the chicken pen project, and we could use it alongside the wood. I also have that wire, it's like fencing wire over there that we could use, but I don't think I have enough of it. But we'll see if we have enough sheets. If not, we're just gonna continue using this wood. We seem to have enough wood and we're gonna make 2 layers. I think that's what's gonna be best. It'll hold the compost in. So this is what we did. We made it about 11 feet by 21 feet. We made the whole bottom frame first. Eventually, we're going to be putting all of this, spread it out so it's a flatter surface, and then we can keep adding to this compost pile as well. If you guys could see right here, the path does lead almost up to it, but it does give it some space. But this is going to be my second compost pile. This will still be the drop section for sand or rocks or whatever I need. But this is going to be a huge time saver because most of the time I'm putting all the compost over there. This will be another good section where we compost, and it's taking up space that we don't need to mow. We have our little workstation here. We are going to be making a second layer to that, and then maybe even making it higher than that. But so far, I think it's turned out pretty nicely. We have measured out the second layer and we put it all the way around the compost pile. Now we're going to affix the second layer to the first layer that we put down. are out here for another day. We're still putting the top portion of the compost pile on here, and then we'll spread it all around. We are finished with this project. We did 2 layers high. All of these pieces that you see right here are braces holding the top and the bottom together, or the horizontal pieces together. And the reason for that is because there were a bunch of nails in this wood. It was reclaimed lumber, scrap lumber from another job, so we were working with what we had. Not all the nails were able to be taken out, but that's okay. Now, eventually this is going to be all evened out. This pile over here is going to be used as, we're going to be mixing it for a good another year. This will then be used as the main compost pile. I'll start dumping the chicken poop in this half right here, and then the rest of it will be spread out to the back, and this will all be used on the gardens. Then, of course, the compost pile that's inside the garden area, that is already ready to be put on the gardens, as that has been mixed for a year. That is the end of this video. We are like sweating like crazy out here. We were drinking our electrolytes though, definitely getting enough hydration, but at least there is a border around this compost pile now. It'll just keep everything contained and make it look nice and neater. It will also be easier to weed eat. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notification bell so you can receive a notification each time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. I hope that filmed. I'm not sure if that other part filmed. I had the microphone in and it said it's filming through the microphone, but this isn't charged, so the microphone never came on.
So you got one of those little fluffy mics.
Yeah.